Hello, our body friends. It's a pleasant and lovely morning to all of you. Okay, friends, I am fine. Look at my look, like haircut, and looking handsome. Okay, friends, I am looking handsome and young. I feel that. Okay, friends, and I think that you also feel happy and you remain the safe in your home. We move forward, friends, in our paper 5, Unit 3. What is the name of Unit 3? Yeah, anybody remember that? Yes, literary terms. And what is the name of the paper? Anybody? Anybody else remember that? Yeah. Yes. The foundation course of literary criticism. Very good. You remember the name and the unit. We have to complete it, friends, up to now 3 or 4, more than 5 or 6 units. Tragic hero, we repeated importance of the topics, then theme, plot, character, and the humor means laughter. Here we move forward the opposite. And what is the opposite of humor is sorrows or pathos. Okay, friend, today's study is pathos. P-A-T-H-O-S. Pathos is a Greek word. Because, friends, it is derived from Aristotle. What is the name of the book? Yes, friend. Up to this recording lecture, we start the new way of the teaching. Because you know about, just I teach on the board, I recorded the video and send to you. And it is only the teacher-centered method. But I want to make the change, and that's why, friend, I give you the form of the information. Then also I will arrange the quiz, and next time I also arrange the new quiz in paper 3 also, taught by Kamlesh sir. I prepared that quiz, and friend, you know about that. But friend, I want to make our teaching, online teaching, more interesting, and that's why, friend, I think about that. I ask the one question that concerning the above recorded video or in this, and you have to give the answer of the question in our group box, in our group. Whenever you watch the video and you have to write down your answer. That's why I know about that, how much of the students are interested in this kind of teaching. So okay, I ask the question to you. Listen the video very carefully. What is the name of the books written by Aristotle? Write down the name of Aristotle book in our group. So here, friends, Aristotle gave this element of 6 elements of tragedy in his book. He also gave defined the tragic hero in chapter 13, and further he can also define in the 6th element of that humor. We can in the last lecture discuss about that. Once more question I want to ask that, who is the founder of the comedy of humor? And that use the word humor. So here, pathos is opposite of humor. So what is the meaning of pathos? In the Greek, friends, pathos means passion, suffering, deep feelings, passion. passionate love story. Ashiki, a passionate love story. In the passion, a particular strong emotion, it is called the passion. Avek. Then suffering. अब तेरे बिन जी लेंगे हम जहर जिंदगी का पी लेंगे हम. Here, okay, don't be asking. Someone will teach you that. Here, the suffering of the hero. Here, it expresses the suffering of hero. तड़प तड़प इस दिल से आह निकलती रही. That was the movies. Here, that words also suggest that the suffering of the hero and deep feeling. You are studying Gujarati, Vyanu and Jumo Visti, and that was the death of the Vyanu. Make the sadden or sad, and the Jumo become the sad, and every day he go to the. That was the near the river crossing, and he put the flower. It was a deep feeling between the Jubo, Visti and his Vyanu, his animals. It says passion, I have defined it as suffering and deep feeling. That's why I have to give the example of the movies in Gujarati literature, because that first of that you can. It's important that not you have to prepare the topic only the exam oriented, but at least we have to understand the topic properly. At least in Gujarati or whenever we watch the TV serial or anything, we have to look at that. That time at least we understand that the meaning of their words. Yeah, this scene is the tragic scene, or it is the pathetic scene. We make the difference between the it. Okay, once we forward, but it is the Greek literature. During that time, the words of pathos usually the passion, suffering, and deep feeling. But the time Greek was 2nd century BC. We discussed in the last lecture, friends. 2nd century BC. But in the modern literature, particularly in the 19th century, the Victorian literature, and 19th century literature, modern or it is called the Victorian age. Due to the Queen Elizabeth, the age called the Elizabethan age. In the same way, Queen Victoria, it is called the, for her name, she is called the Victorian age. And the prominent writer was the Charles Dickens. I think that you studied the Charles Dickens, that is short note in semester 1 or 2. And here the Charles Dickens, he is called the great master of the pathos. And during the time of the Victorian time, the number of writers used or exploited the pathos in their literary work. But among all the writers of the Victorian time, Charles Dickens is the greatest master of pathos. His Oliver Twist, the curiosity of the shock, Tale of the Two Cities, and many other his novels. He used 1 or 2 scenes, pathos. So here we have to try to get in modern criticism or modern literature. What is the meaning of pathos? So here in modern criticism, pathos